Hey guys, welcome to Mad Life with Pose, and I am literally not crazy that I have worn my home clothes here in front of you all, but I am about to give you a tutorial about 5 minutes makeup that you can easily recreate while going for office. And this makeup is very varied, as anybody who is wearing a western wear as well as Indian wear can recreate this for their office time, and you can easily team it up with anything that you wear for office, and it is easy. It hardly takes 5 minutes and you will really be pumped. So I have tied my hair in a bun and now I am starting the makeup. The first thing that you want to do for this kind of a makeup that will take us very minimum amount of time, you really want to moisturize your skin very nicely. So I would recommend that every night before going to sleep, just apply a good face wash to your face, so that it takes out all the oils and the sebums that and the dirt that you get collected in your skin after the whole day of work. And then apply a nice moisturizer, and then in the morning after taking a bath, apply a moisturizer and a toner immediately to your skin, so that the moisturizer dries out pretty nicely before applying any makeup. Yes, you must apply a moisturizer pretty much at least half an hour to 45 minutes before applying any makeup for going to office. It is a basic necessary. Otherwise, the only problem that you are going to get, like the one that I face a lot, it is like I sweat a lot, so my makeup gets cake up and I don't like it. The finishing of those kind of makeup is very patchy and we don't want that. So if you want a great finish, and that is too in a very minimum time, then just follow this rule that apply your moisturizer at least half an hour to 45 minutes before applying any office makeup. So I am using here my favorite foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 310. You can always use any foundation or any BB cream, any CC cream of your choice, your face and your skin's texture, and it is totally up to you and your choices. So let's start it. I will put a very few dots over my face with the foundation, especially to my eye area, as it has lot many dark circle, as you can see. And then I will just cover it up to only those specific areas where I think it is needed. The inner corner of my eyes are very dark, and no matter what I do, whichever face pack I use, they tend to get dry and discolor. I would like to put the foundation on my T-zone, as it will grab a lot more attention to it, and to my lips, as I want my lipstick to stay all day long, and a bit here. And as you can see that I haven't put the foundation all over my face, and that is the idea, just to cover only the areas which want attention, and other areas are good to go. If you moisturize your skin every day, I know I am looking like a ghost, but it is very necessary to tell you all this, that if you moisturize your skin daily, if you clean your face daily, then it will never be a problem with your skin, and you can only cover up, you want to only cover up only those areas which want your attention. So I will now apply the foundation everywhere that I have put my dots on, and make sure that it is well covered. So as you can see that all the imperfections of my face are gone. It is such a good foundation, I love it. And I don't want high makeup for any office look, because that tend to make it look as like a very fake kind of a personality. That is totally my own opinion. I know that many of you like high end makeup or high coverage makeup for your daily office look, but I don't like it. It is my own personal choice, but you can go as per your instinct. Now I would want my makeup to set, and for that I will use Maybelline New York loose powder, or rather the face powder here, and I will apply it all over my face. Remember, you are applying your foundation only to over your imperfections, but you want to apply the face powder that you like all over your face. What does the face powder do? The face powder covers up, or rather gives our face a nice sheen that a medium coverage makeup can make us to do. It is time for a little bit of eyeshadow. I know it is a little tough for a few people, that few people don't want to use any eyeshadow on their makeup or any eyeshadow for their daily office use, but I would really like to recommend those people to use a neutral shade matte eyeshadow like the one that I have taken here. It is from the brand Wet n Wild, and it is really affordable. I think it is under 250, and the name of this palette is Nuve. It is really nice to use a little bit of eyeshadow, as it helps your eyes to pop out and gives a really nice effect to any makeup look. I personally love my eye makeup, so it is a must have for me. So I will take here the brown color, the brown translucent color over here on my fluffy eye brush, and then I will apply it all over my eyelid. In a circular motion. All over it. Now you also want to use the same color under your eye, so that it gives a very rounded, even look and hides all the dark circles that you face. I will use the same palette and use this little highlighted shade over here to pop my eyeball. I want to give it a really nice sheen. Did you see it? And now I will apply my mascara. It is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Mascara. My eyes are nowadays tending to be very watery. I don't know what happened to them, but let's come back to the point. Here I want, for a basic office look, one must use a thick application of mascara all over their eyelashes, a very thick application of mascara, and this one really does its job pretty nicely. And you would want to let the first coat dry it up so that you can use it for the second time. You would also want to use the mascara on the lower lashes, and now I will use the same mascara to complete my eyebrow. It helps to keep the eyebrow like this for the whole day, as if you have used any high-end product, and yet it doesn't take any time at all. If you have more time, you can always go for your trusted brow pencil or brow powder, but this is my go-to savior. And that is about it. I have done my eyebrows as well as my eye makeup, and the only thing that is left here is lipstick. So for the time being, the conditions that we are going through right now is very tough, and we have to wear a mask daily for going outside, and for office use it is a must have. So I've transfer proof, smudge proof liquid lipstick. This one is from NY Bay and it is in a very neutral shade. I don't know yes, it has name in it, sorry, I'm a very messy kind of a person. The name of it is Charlotte's Gallery and it is in a peachy nude color, and you want to apply your lipstick first on the lower lips and then create an outline like this, and then fill the inner corners, then go to your Cupid brow, sorry, that is not Cupid brow, that is Cupid bow. I am messy, I know, but let me tell you all, I am not habituated with talking while doing my makeup, so every misspelled word that I pronounce is because of that not having habit. That is about it. Our makeup is done, and let me get dressed and show it to you all. Bye bye. Hey guys, if you really liked my video and the new makeup look, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon in the down below so that you always get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you. Bye bye.